This is another intermediate move combination for white to find. You can pause the video and try to find out the solution. Now let's check out the solution. It's very interesting. This queen is unprotected. You can use this fact and play this knight e4. Now you are attacking the queen. So obviously if black tries to recapture your queen, then you have this intermediate move, check, and when the king moves, you win the queen back, and now you are in piece up, and this is forced checkmate in 8 moves. Obviously, after this move, if you try to capture the knight, then you will lose the queen. So definitely this is not an option, and in this case, white is winning on the spot.